Hi, Maya. I'm nervous today.
It's okay. Breathe slowly with me.
Why are you nervous, Leo? We're going to the airport, and I worry.
Mom bought gifts, and I don't understand the rules.
We will figure it out together. Leo, we leave in 10 minutes.
10 minutes? Okay, I'm coming.
Do you have your passport?
Yes, it's in my pocket safe. Mom, are these gifts expensive?
No, they were cheap, but pretty.
Cheap is good.
Yes, but keep the receipts.
Receipts are boring.
Keep them anyway, just in case.
Okay, team, we go now.
Dad, you sound like a coach.
At the airport, speak slowly and stay calm. I will try, I promise.
This airport is huge. Huge means very big. Wow, look how high the ceiling is. It's enormous. I don't want to get lost. Stay close to me, okay?
First, we check in.
Check in, like tell them we're here?
Exactly. It's how we register at the airport.
Yes, we show the bags and our tickets. Okay, I can do that. Mom, what is the limit for gifts?
There is a limit, like a maximum amount.
So limit means maximum. Yes, that's right. Maximum, the most possible. Do we need to declare gifts? Declare means tell the officer.
Let's roll. The line is long.
Long line, like many people?
Yes, we wait, but we don't panic.
I will not panic. Dad, your suitcase looks heavy.
It is heavy, but I'm strong.
Please don't worry about everything. I worry too much, I know.
Next, the scale checks the bag.
Scale? It weighs the bag?
Hello, put your bag here, please.
Sure, 1 second.
Your bag is overweight.
Overweight means too heavy?
Oh no, that sounds expensive.
A fee might happen.
The fee is $100.
That is very expensive.
We can't pay that, right?
We can remove items to make it lighter.
Fine, we remove things now.
I can help. Tell me what. Take out the big jacket first. Okay, I'm taking it out.
I can wear it.
Wear it? Like put it on?
Yes. Then it's not in the bag.
Smart. Very smart.
Try again on the scale, please.
Okay, here we go.
Great. Now it is under the limit.
We saved money! But Dad, you look like a fluffy pillow.
I don't care. I'm not paying.
Maya, you are funny. Thanks. Now we go to security. Security makes me nervous again. Just follow the rules.
Phones and bags go in the bin.
Bin means the tray? Yes. Put items in the bin. Okay. Slowly.
I feel like a sandwich in all these layers.
Quiet, coach.
Excuse me, can you do me a favor?
A favor? What do you need?
Can you carry this through security for me?
Leo, wait, don't. Why not? They look nice. Because you don't know what's inside.
Maya is right. Never carry a stranger's bag.
Never? Really never? If you carry it, people think it is yours. Oh, that is scary. So we say no, politely. Yes, say sorry, I can't. Sorry, I can't.
Oh, okay. Good job, team.
My heart is beating fast. You did the right thing. I'm glad you stopped me.
Thank you for being careful. We appreciate that.
Now I understand favor better. Yes, not all favors are safe.
Okay, everyone through security now.
I'm ready, slow and calm. Dad, do you have metal in your pockets?
Maybe. I have coins.
Coins go in the bin.
Okay, I'm doing it.
This is a lot to remember.
You're doing great. Keep going.
After security, we go to customs.
Customs the rule, people?
Yes, they ask questions.
I will tell the truth.
I'm still wearing 3 jackets.
And you look proud.
Dad, you are not paying the fee.
Exactly. No fee today.
Maya, what if gifts look expensive?
Then the receipt helps you.
We have receipts, right?
Yes, I think so.
Dad, I think so sounds risky. Let's check the folder.
I see some receipts, but not all.
Not all. Uh-oh.
Where is the necklace receipt?
I put it somewhere safe.
Dad, please don't lose it.
I didn't lose it. I'm sure.
If we can't show proof, it's harder. Proof means evidence?
Yes, proof like a receipt.
Okay, I understand.
Hello, any items over the limit?
No, sir.
Any food items? No food. Just snacks we ate. Any gifts to declare?
Small gifts, yes. And we have receipts.
Show me the necklace receipt, please. Necklace receipt, one moment. I can't find it right now.
Michael, please, focus.
Dad, check the side pocket of your bag.
Side pocket. Okay.
I'm worried. This feels expensive.
Stay calm. Truth helps.
Still not here.
Where did you put it?
Maybe I have it?
Leo, check your backpack.
I see a snack and paper. Paper could be the receipt.
Open it carefully.
Okay, is the receipt.
Thank you. This proves the price.
Thank you, officer.
That was close.
Close means almost a problem.
Next time, keep receipts in one folder.
Yes, one place only.
Okay. Lesson learned.
Learned means I know now.
Excuse me. There's a small service credit for you.
A credit?
Credit sounds good.
Yes, it reduces the cost. So it's like a gift from them.
Yes, like compensation.
Dad, please don't spend it fast.
I will not. Maybe?
No maybe. We save it.
Fine. Whatever. You worry too much.
Let's sit and drink water.
Yes, I need a break. Maya, you stay calm every time.
I practice. Calm is a skill.
I'm hungry.
We eat after the gate.
Dad, please don't buy too many snacks.
They are cheap, Leo. Cheap!
Cheap snacks can still cost a lot together.
Together means in total.
Remember, keep the credit for something important.
Okay.
Maya, I feel better now.
Good. You are doing great. Time to board soon.
Soon means in a short time.
I'm still wearing extra jackets.
You look like a big pillow.
Dad, you are brave.
I'm cheap. I'm careful.
My lesson today, keep receipts.
And say no to strange favors. And always tell the truth. Truth feels safe.
Okay, I'm proud of our team.
Teamwork is good.
Boarding starts now.
Thank you.
I'm ready to go home.
Me too. Let's walk.
Maya, will you sit near me?
Yes, I will sit near you.
I feel proud.
You handled a hard day.
I'm taking off the jackets now.
Yes, please.
Dad looks normal again.
Normal means usual. Don't lose the folder this time.
I won't. I promise.
Dad, keep it close.
There. In my bag. Happy now?
Good. Now we can relax.
Relax means rest, right? I want to remember these words.
We will review at the end. Phones off for a moment. Okay, I can listen.
No more surprises, please.
We already had enough.
Today felt like a movie. A calm movie with receipts.
Receipts are heroes now.
Yes! The heroic receipt!
Okay, quiet voices.
Quiet means not loud.
No music today, just calm.
Yes, calm and clear.
After we land, we do the word review.
Yes, we will. I'm sleepy now. Sleepy means you want sleep.
When we get home, we eat dinner.
Yes, please. I'm hungry.
Dad, no more expensive problems.
I will try my best.
Leo, you spoke clearly today. Slow English helps me. I want to practice again. We will practice every story.
Remember the rule. Truth first. Truth first, always.
And receipts in the folder.
Yes, one folder only.
Maya, thank you for helping.
You're welcome, Leo. We're almost home.
Almost means not yet, but close.
I see the city lights.
That looks beautiful.
I see the city lights.
That looks beautiful.
After we land, we review words together.
Yes. I'm ready. Can we start the review soon?
Yes, after we stand up. Okay, everyone, bags in hand.
I have the folder safe.
Dad, do not joke now.
I'm not joking. I'm serious.
Leo, you did well today. Thanks. I feel proud. Now we can do the word recap. Yes, let's do it.
Make it simple for Leo.
Yes. One word at a time. I want to remember everything.
We will go slowly.
Okay, Teacher Maya, start.
Okay. Word review time. First word, expensive. Expensive means it costs a lot of money. Next, cheap. Cheap means not expensive, so it costs little. Now, just in case. Just in case means we keep it for a possible problem. Next, receipt. Receipt is the paper that shows what we paid. Now, limit. Limit means the maximum allowed amount. Now, declare. Declare means tell the officer what you have. Now, overweight. Overweight means the bag is too heavy for the limit. Now, fee and remove. A fee is extra money, and remove means take out. Now, favor and carry. A favor is help, but carry means hold and move something. Last word, truth. Truth means we are honest, always.